Yeah, you do, man. Okay, baby. I'm gonna go back after this one. Yeah, he in there. Oh, look, babe. Now that one, I caught that one. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I got it. That's pretty, pretty. Oh, look over there towards Marina. Uh, I missed that one. They didn't even go out to the street this year, did they? Like they used to. Yeah, a few. Ooh, that was a hoozy doozy. Well, they got till 10 o'clock, so they better do it. They said anybody after 10 o'clock, $1,000 fine. Oh, that's some over there too. Oh, okay, baby. See you in a little bit. I'm gonna go when I get tired of holding my arm up. Yeah, that was pretty. I'll let you see some of the ones I get.